Welcome to NeoEnglish. Today we'll talk about something exciting, technology. Specifically, a new phone everyone's buzzing about, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Are you ready to dive in?
Oh, absolutely. This phone sounds incredible, but we'll take it step by step so our listeners can pick up new vocabulary and phrases along the way. So, Andrew, why is everyone so excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra?
Well, it's lighter, thinner, and packed with advanced Galaxy AI tools. Let's pause here. Lighter and thinner describe the phone's weight and size. Lighter means it's not as heavy. Thinner means it's not as thick.
That's right. For example, you might say, "This book is lighter than the one I bought yesterday." Or, "I prefer thinner wallets because they fit in my pocket."
Exactly. Now, those advanced Galaxy AI tools? AI means artificial intelligence. It's like smart technology that can learn and make decisions, kind of like a human brain. The phone uses these tools to improve pictures, suggest replies to texts, and much more.
Let's make it simpler. AI is in your phone, like a virtual assistant. If you say, "What's the weather like today?" AI gives you the answer. Or when you type a message, it might suggest the next word. That's AI too.
Perfect examples. So, people are wondering, has Samsung done enough to win us over with this phone? Let's explain win over. It means to convince someone or make them like something.
Like when a new friend brings you a small gift, and it helps win you over. You start liking them even more. Or when a song plays on the radio, and hearing it a second time wins you over, because now you love it.
Great examples, Emma. Now, back to the phone. It's priced at $1,299, which is the same as last year. By saying the same as, we mean it hasn't changed.
For example, "This pencil is the same as mine," means they look or work exactly alike. Or, "Her shirt is the same as his in color," means both shirts are the same color.
Now, one big reason people love this phone is its do-everything nature. This means it can handle almost anything. You can take photos, work, play games, and even use those AI tools, all in one device.
A do-everything device is super helpful. For example, a Swiss Army knife is a tool that can cut, open bottles, or help fix something. It's a do-everything gadget. Or a laptop that helps you work and watch films is also do-everything.
That's why Samsung fans are buzzing about it. Buzzing is an informal way to say excited. Imagine the sound of bees. They're busy, energetic, and full of action. When people are buzzing, it's the same.
For example, you might say, "The city was buzzing during the festival," meaning people were excited and full of energy. Or, "Everyone's buzzing about the new movie," means they're all talking about it excitedly.
Now, let's go over some key words we've explained today. We had
And with those words, we hope you found today's episode fun and useful. New technology gives us great ways to learn and talk about the world. And now you have the English to talk about it too.
thanks for joining us on Neo English. Keep practicing, stay curious, and have a fantastic day.